Hey guys, so today I have this fun dinosaur that I want to show you. So cute, colorful. It's also going to be a great learning opportunity for your children. So the back of the dinosaur here, you're going to just open this up just like that. And it's going to come with all these little spikes. So there's going to be 12 in all. There's going to be yellow, green, blue, and orange. So 3 of each of them. You just pull those out and then you'll go ahead and put the back of the dinosaur up there. So this is going to be really great for kids that are 18 months and above. What it's going to do is help with dexterity. Also with color coordination, you can have your child put all of the coordinating spike colors in a row. You also are going to be able to help your child count to 12. So each one of the little holes is numbered. The other thing that I think is super fun about this is that when you put the spikes in the back here, there isn't any movement, but when you put them in the top right there in spot 2 and 3, then the mouth of the dinosaur opens. So that's kind of cute and fun there too. So my kiddos have loved playing with this so far. If you guys are looking for a really great toy that's going to be good for learning opportunity and imagination play, this is going to be a great find.